So a long-term friend of mine asked me this very, very important question, and I decided to give him a response here. Although I've given him a response privately, but I decided to share that knowledge here publicly so that people can learn. He asked me, my brother, what is the meaning of the word Onicha? So the meaning of the word Onicha has been a very, very wide debate. It has caused a lot of stir. And being someone who he knows usually delves into the etymology of Igbo words, he decided to reach out to me. My brother, Osita Morde, asked me that question, and I'm providing the answer today. It's a very, very straightforward answer. The meaning of the word Onitsha lies very deep in the word itself. It is not an abbreviation. It is just an Igbo word. Depending on which part of Igbo land you come from, this word will make meaning to you. Why we say Onicha, Onicha, it means one thing. The one who has lived or stayed aside from his or her kinsmen. Onicha is somebody who is staying apart from his kinsmen, has left the group. We usually have nucleated settlements, but anybody who has chosen to move away from that nucleated settlement to a distant or dispersed settlement can be described as Onocha. When we are discussing in a group or sitting in a group and somebody stays aside from that group, I can easily ask that person, Bia, oneke noze kike me nocha, osha nocha, bia dono, bia ka ini ne dono bame, bia ka dono bamonu, anoze anocha. Onicha, onocha. Anybody that is staying aside or away from the group, non-nature. Now, some people think it's associated with Ezechima. No, it's not only associated with Ezechima. There is Onicha in every part of Western and Eastern Igbo land. There are so many Onicha communities that have no affiliation whatsoever with the descendants of Ezechima. Onicha. When you live away from the group, your kinsmen, ya no de gekwo Onicha o. Kendrai Beni aimemenye gbasara Igbo ịnọ n'ụcha ọbụ iso anyị n'ọgbame Ọnịcha bụ na ajọ onye o. Some people go and stay in this ụcha ọ nọ n'ụcha mmadụ ike n'ụcha ọ bụ na asụwaịdị nụa n'ụcha maka na me onye emene boy abasị ya bite ụfọdụ anọzụkwa n'ụcha n'ụlọ maka na asụwa na-ebite enwe ọsị until you live a bit far away from your kinsmen, you will not have too many friends. But when you live a bit far away, you see how people will be visiting you. As well, how are you? So, I hope I have sufficiently used this medium to explain the meaning of the word Onocha. Onicha. Somebody sent me a message. I did not respond after reading it, so he called me. He was telling me that Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was explaining the meaning of the word Onicha to mean that his grandmother told him that when they came to live in this part of Igbo land, it has no meaning or bearing. That explanation doesn't hold water. Some say it's Onyocha, that the daughter of one of the founders of Onitsha was very fair. Onyocha, Onicha, Onocha, Onocha, Onicha. Pronounce these words. Think of its Igbo meaning and understand what I just explained. You are living away from your kinsmen. If I use the people of present day Onitsha Miri, ndị akpọwowe ndị Onitsha do as an example, you will understand perfectly what I just explained. Ụmụ Ezechima are in this side of Western Igbo land. Let me even explain it a bit deeper. Oheze was the first son of Ezechima. It is believed But Oheze died while Ezechima himself was still alive. So he was buried. His children believe they will ascend the throne of their father as the head of Ezechima clan, but they were not allowed to do so. They found Onicha before some of them now moved to Onicha Mili. And was Onicha Olona, who assimilated and welcomed some migrant groups from Benin who are presently claiming today that Onichubo is not an Igbo community. And I love their language, their culture, everything they do is Igbo. Even the people claiming they are not Igbo people in Onitsha Olona, their names are Igbo names. I will not want to start mentioning names here, but it's so funny how you will see somebody whose names, culture, everything, grandfather's name, great-grandfather's names are Igbo, claiming that they are no longer Igbo. I look at all these things and I laugh. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from today. If you also feel I did not explain it correctly, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think is the meaning of the word Onitsha. But etymologically speaking, this is the meaning of the word Onitsha. Onicha, Onocha, Oye nonocha, Ndi binocha. People who are living away from their kids and kin. People who have chosen to live in a dispersed location or settlement, usually far from the place where their kids and kin are found to be resident. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share it to your audience. Thank you. Find other interesting videos on our platform. Watch and share. Thank you.